Founded on October 2012, Bong Telephone Network is the newly telecommunications provider in the Philippines. Through its principal business groups, fixed line, wireless, and information and communication technology, Bong Telephone Network offers the largest and most diversified range of telecommunications services across the municipality of Bong. Most extensive fiber optic backbone and fixed line. Bong Telephone Network. Connecting you at home. Mission. The Bong Telephone Network will complement your needs as we offer you great deals, quality entertainment that is affordable and adaptable to the families of these new generations. Vision. The Bong Telephone Network envisions to emerge as the best source of telephone network in the municipality of Bong that will provide highly equitable service for our customers. Goal. To bring the new age of telephone system in the municipality of Bong. Bong Telephone Network aims to bring telephone system in the municipality of Bong, providing the needs of communication for each and every people in this community. The NGN converges the service provider networks including the public switched telephone network PSTN data network, the internet and wireless network. It offers Bong Telephone Network a high-quality end-user experience. But the most critical challenge is in optimizing the OSS and BSS platforms, systems, and processes at various levels such as the fixed-line incumbents, mobile operators, cable TV operators, unified access service providers, internet service providers, software and hardware vendors. At Core Network, NGN consolidates several transport networks into one core transport network based on IP and Ethernet with migrations from PSTN to VoIP, legacy services of X.25 and frame relay to IPVPN. At Wired Access Network, NGN is responsible for the migration from dual legacy voice next to XDSL setup to a converged setup. At Cable Access Network, NGN convergence involves migrating from bitrate voice to standards like VoIP and SIP. The Bong Telephone Network has a ring topology, which runs in circles within the three areas. The Bong municipality where the company is located, the PLDT Bong where we connected, and the Bong Telephone Company which distributes the telephone network in this community. Communication starts in the central office. The central office is the heart and control of all the communication. The box diagram shows the flow transmission occur in a telephone system. There are two types of transmission system used. One which is used in long-distance connection. In the central office main distribution, the connection passes in the fiber optic to the distribution cabinet. Cabinet then is distributed along the designated area using drop wire connection. Before entering a household connection, a demarcation point is placed for the line checkpoint and then a connection to the home computer, modem and telephone. The other connection is the connection around the central office wherein drop wires are used directly without passing any fiber optic. This is used in a narrow connection when there are nearby subscribers. Bong Telephone Network use main distribution frame 71 system, MDF terminal blocks. Bong Telephone Network uses the following switches. UT Starcom's modular IANA KB1000 is a very versatile access product that can be configured to operate as a multi-service access platform that integrates the stand-alone functionalities of a traditional digital loop carrier, the next generation voice over IP VoIP media gateway and an IP DSL AM in a single platform. The SMC8824M is a feature-rich 10/100/1000 base T stackable iPage version 4 IP version 6 managed switch with optional 10G uplinks. This gigabit workgroup aggregator switch is designed to handle high bandwidth applications and capable of reaching up to 128 gigabits per second with a non-blocking single-chip switching architecture. It is the first SMC switch to include IP version 6 management features. Bong telephone network uses DSLA-MXC cabinets. Both pole mount and pad mount versions of the NEC React trademark DSLA-MXC series enclosures combine two functions in a single cabinet. In the pole mount configuration, the DSLA-M equipment is contained in a separate chamber above the XC. The cross-connect fields are contained in a separate chamber at the bottom of the cabinet. Bong telephone network uses DSLA-MXC cabinets. Both pole mount and pad mount versions of the NEC React trademark DSLA-MXC series enclosures combine two functions in a single cabinet. In the pole mount configuration, the DSLA-M equipment is contained in a separate chamber above the XC. The cross-connect fields are contained in a separate chamber at the bottom of the cabinet. Bong uses the following types of cables. Category 5 cable is a twisted pair cable for carrying signals. This type of cable is used in structured cabling for computer networks such as Ethernet. Optical fiber is the medium in which communication signals are transmitted from one location to another in the form of light guided through thin fibers of glass or plastic. Unshielded twisted pair cables are found in many Ethernet networks and telephone systems. For indoor telephone applications, and drop wire is an insulated conductor composed by two parallel solid copper-clad wire 18 AW grams gauge wire are segregated by an insulation of either low-density polyethylene. Among the 11,199 total household population in the municipality of Bong, these barangays complete the 60% target for the design of telephone system. The calculated 6,534 population, multiplied by the 60% which is capable of subscribing, is equal to 3,920. The 3,920 capable of subscription is divided by the capacity of distribution box, which is 20, is equal to 196 distribution box. The 196 distribution box is now then multiplied by 30%. The reason why the company reduced gradually in the number of distribution boxes is because the company is in the promoting stage of its technology. The existing connection can be used for future expansion of the company. We have calculated 58.8 or 59 distribution box 590 subscribers. The 59 distribution box only uses 10 used and 10 spare connection.